Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for December 13, 2019. Today, we're taking a look at the USDJPY, US dollar versus the Japanese yen for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, over the recent past couple of months, we have been in an uptrend, and I'm just going to put a quick trend line here to represent the overall movement we've seen for the past several months, going all the way back into August of this year. Rising trend has been in a period of somewhat ranging. Let me see if I can draw a quick box here. Let's make it black so it matches the trend line. And we've been in this somewhat of a period of ranging right into this area right here where the black box is. So rising trend overall, bouncing around in this black box for the past several weeks. And now we're at the top of that black box. We're towards the top of that range that we have delineated with the black box. So the question is, will it remain in the range? Will it turn around and go back down towards the black trend line again? Or will it finally break this range in the direction of the trend and continue to go higher? So the green zone at the top of that black box is our major area to discuss for the day today. 109.55, 109.70 is that green zone. I do want to call your attention back to the left-hand side of the chart, the black circle, where the market challenged for several days underneath, on the left-hand side of the circle, underneath the green zone, challenged, tested, made a dip back down to the orange zone, took another running head start at it, and broke through the green zone on the right-hand side of the circle, sat on top of it for a few days as support, and continued the rising trend. And I point that out because we are challenging that green shaded area again. So if we were able to see it get above the green zone on the right hand side, then we would have an expectation that it would continue to go higher to the 110, 15, 30 level, the pink shaded area at the top of the circle. So again, historically, that's what we do as traders. We look at patterns and indicators and information from the past. That's what we do as traders, and try to determine if that same thing is going to happen. Whether you're using, trend lines, moving averages, some sort of oscillator like stochastic MACD, RSI. We're trying to see, will the market do the same thing it did the last time? And we're looking for clues and evidence to that. If you're using MACD, you would say, well, if it's at the bottom and it crosses to go up, we would expect it to go, the market to go up. If it's at the top and it crosses to go down, we would expect it to go down. Stochastic as well, RSI, all of those, we look at history and say, this happened the last time. We're going to look for that to happen again in the future. And so if we look at the past and the price action here in the black circle, resistance green zone, break out above the green zone, continuation higher. We bring that to the right hand side and say resistance at the green zone. We've already seen it, challenging the green zone. So the breakout above the green zone would give us a clue that it's going higher. It doesn't have to do that, but that's our expectation. If, let's say, the dollar takes a significant rally and retraces its steps from yesterday and gets above 109.70, we have this expectation that it will continue to go higher. And so we'll continue to watch for that. If it doesn't, and we see the sellers come back in, we could see it right back down towards the trend line, the pink shaded area at the bottom of our range box that we have drawn on here for the dollar yen. So we need to watch for price action clues of that as well. 4-hour time frame, not really going to change any of that expectation, but it's going to give us a little bit of a different view of intraday price action. So we don't see, again, that breakout above. Let me move that black circle real quick out of the way and bring it back to the 4-hour. We don't see it break out above. It didn't back here, and we still haven't seen the breakout. We do see a little bit of bearish price action coming back into the market. So the question is, if the bears come back in, when would we have an opportunity to sell? We'll watch for, good clues of reversal. We don't want to take one singular move, one singular candle as our clue. Often what I'm going to do is look for it to get back down there, maybe even retest it one more time as resistance before falling again. That would be my clue there. So one singular move is not a trend direction change or reversal. We need to watch for clear price action reversal here or breakout for the dollar yen today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.